Welcome to Secrets of Homemaking. In today's video, I am going to show how to season your new cast iron pan and also explain on how to maintain them for years. Before I do that, I am going to explain the health benefit of cooking on a cast iron pan. It is clinically proven that food cooked on an iron pan will increase your hemoglobin count. Every time you eat food prepared in iron pan, your body absorbs small amount of iron from the food. You can season your iron pan either on oven or stove. Today, I am going to season my pan on an oven. Let's get into the seasoning process. Step 1. Preheat your oven for 300 Fahrenheit. Step 2. Wash your pan thoroughly with hot water and soap. Step 3. Dry your pan using a cotton towel. Step 4. Allow your pan to air dry completely. Step 5. Apply generous amount of oil on your pan's exterior and interior. Step 6. Layer your oven rack with the aluminum foil and baking sheet. Step 7. Place your pan inside the oven and set 300 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Step 8. Open your oven and remove the baking sheet. Step 9. Set your oven again for 300 Fahrenheit for an hour. Step 10. After 1 hour, make sure the oven is off and then place your pan on a safe place. In addition, you can use the same process to clean your old and rusted iron skillets. After each and every use, clean your pan thoroughly and allow them to air dry completely. Heat your pan for 3 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. Once it cools down, then apply a teaspoon of oil and store them on a dry place. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. If you like videos about home maintenance, then consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye and stay safe.